Bonjour, Jessica Gillespie here again with another mini lesson using the Bonjour Scholastic magazine. This one I did focus specifically on the cover article about global warming, and I have some different activities that I've put together and resources that I've used from the Scholastic magazine resources online that I'm here to tell you what I've done. I've added all of my resources for this mini lesson to my Schoology page to help me stay on track while I'm teaching, but also too so students can refer to it back on their own when they want. We're going to start by doing a vocab review using Quizlet Live, and I also included the Quizlet here so that way students can go ahead and review on their own. Next, we're going to watch an Un jour une question video that talks about global warming, and what's awesome about this video is that there is a quiz already created on Fluent Key. So if you want your students to get that immediate feedback and for them to do it on their own, that's definitely an option, or you can watch it as a class. I think Fluent Key has a Fluent Key Live. I haven't tried that out, so that might be something that I try tomorrow. Then once we have an understanding of what global warming is all about, we're going to read this article from the actual magazine. Je veux sauver la planète. And so here there are 4 teens that talk about how they're raising awareness about global warming. And I think it'll be great for students because they'll be able to connect personally to talk about what they do or what their classmates or friends do to raise awareness about global warming. There are some basic comprehension questions that we'll use as well to help check for basic understanding. After our listening activities, we're going to move on and do a quick grammar review of pouvoir, devoir, and vouloir. And this is great because students tend to forget these, and these ones are irregular and so important. Mary Glasgow has some great notes as reminders for my students, so I was able to include those as well. Next, we're going to do a lot of listening practice. This first audio track is a nice entry point for students, and I think it'll help build their confidence. It is an interview with a couple of different people who are participating in the Marche pour le Climat. This intermediate video is nice for students because it has one person talking, and he does speak at a fairly normal rate. Whereas the more advanced video is a conversation between these 2 teens, and they tend to talk a bit faster. And so for some of my students, I think they'll be overwhelmed by this one, but I do want to put it out there for them, so that way if they want to try it out, that they have that opportunity to see how they might do. And to go with each video, there are some comprehension questions as well. To wrap up our mini lesson on global warming, students are going to connect personally to the topic, and they are going to be using that grammar that they just reviewed as well to write a short response to the question.